Welcome to Japanese cooking channel in Bay Area. Today I'm gonna make chicken teriyaki meatball, teriyaki tsukune. The direction is very easy, and making teriyaki sauce is much easier than making meatball. The keyword is ratio of ingredients mixture, which is 2 to 1 to 1. Please pay careful attention to my demonstration. So let's get started. Peel off the washed lotus root and cut into 0.5 cm or 0.2 inches. Chop onion. Make patty. Combine the minced meat, onion, and egg together and mix well until well combined and getting sticky. Add seasonings. At last, add starch. Divide the mixture into 4 equal parts and form into a small flat oval shape about 2 cm in thickness. Put the patty onto a slice of lotus root and the shiso leaf. Shiso leaf is a plant of the mint family. Its refreshing aroma is similar to basil. Make teriyaki sauce. Remember, this is a golden ratio of teriyaki sauce I've told you at the beginning. Mix together 2 parts sake to 1 part mirin to 1 part soy sauce. Today, I mixed 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon each of mirin and soy sauce. Put oil into the pan and fry each meatball to medium-high heat. Pour teriyaki sauce into a pan and put the lid and steam for a while. Later on, turn meatballs over and shake the pan sometimes to avoid burning. When the sauce becomes thick and has a shiny look, turn off the heat, present on a plate, and pour rest of glazed sauce. So how was today's recipe? You may think that teriyaki is just like sweet soy sauce, especially if you try at food truck. But my recipe tastes more delicate, not pungent. This savory, versatile sauce is good for other dishes as well, like salmon, veggies, tofu, and even noodles. Today I use shiso leaf and lotus root because of not only for being Japanified, but add characteristic texture and flavor. But you can add your own favorite ingredients and make it in your own style if you'd like. So thank you very much for watching today and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.